I'm Jackie Carter, Director of Worldwide Outer Nutrition Product Training at Herbalife, and I'm truly excited to introduce you to a revelation in skincare, an inspiring new line of products that will refresh, replenish, and rejuvenate your skin every day. This is Herbalife Skin. All the products in the Herbalife skincare line were formulated with an optimum blend of vitamin B3, aloe vera, antioxidant vitamins C and E, and are infused with the finest botanicals and plant extracts. As you would expect from Herbalife, this line of products is formulated to the highest standards using carefully chosen ingredients and skincare science. Herbalife Skin products have no added parabens, no added sulfates, and are dermatologist tested for a soothing, luxurious experience. Herbalife Skin features lush textures that will leave your skin feeling rejuvenated, as well as clinically proven benefits that you can quickly see and feel, including a significant reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, all in just 7 days. Now, as I'm sure you know, everyone's skin has unique requirements based on age, skin type, and various other factors. That's why Herbalife Skin products are specially designed to work together and provide results in 3 distinct daily skincare programs. Consult with your sponsor to determine the program that's best for you. The basic daily skincare program consists of the essential steps to cleanse, tone, and moisturize your skin. Herbalife Skin products in this program include the Soothing Aloe Cleanser or the Polishing Citrus Cleanser, depending on your skin type, the Energizing Herbal Toner, the Daily Glow Moisturizer, and the Replenishing Night Cream. The Advanced Daily Skincare program targets trouble spots where you first start to notice fine lines and wrinkles. Here you'll find all of the products from the basic program, plus the line minimizing serum, the firming eye gel, and the hydrating eye cream. Finally, we reach the all-encompassing ultimate daily skincare program. This includes all of the Herbalife Skin products, including the Instant Reveal Berry Scrub and the Purifying Mint Clay Mask, both of which you can use 1 to 3 times a week, depending on your needs. And now I'd like to tell you about an exclusive opportunity to sample 9 products in the Herbalife Skin line. You can experience the dramatic results for yourself with the 7-Day Results Kit. This modern-day skin survival kit gives you trial sizes of 9 products all in one deluxe package. The 7-Day Results Kit is a quick and convenient way to experience how much better your skin can look and feel in just 7 days. Because the products are trial size, the kit is perfect for traveling, and it makes an excellent gift for anyone looking for great solution-driven skincare. We're sure that once you enjoy the powerful results from Herbalife Skin, you'll want to continue the cycle of benefits. You'll want to refresh, rejuvenate, replenish, and repeat for beautiful, healthier-looking skin. For a luxurious beauty routine you can experience time and again, for a revelation each day. This is Herbalife Skin.